Hi there, welcome back to our channel. We've just carrying on from where we left off in the last video. Lee's taking over for a bit. He's just done a lovely job of fitting this piece in, and he's cut a hole in this side so there's access to the electric cupboard. And now he's just doing the same to that side.
You okay? A bit tight?
Yeah, that's a bit tight to that. I might have to use the multi-tool there, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, this side.
So obviously when the stairs are down, you won't see this, but when the stairs are up, we've then got access to the electric cupboard and the chlorifier. There we go.
No, not quite.
Oh,
Quite a bit there.
got that bit up the top.
Touch at the end of your finger.
There first, just to see whether that bit's big enough.
Where's it from here to the back of here?
Yeah, here to the back of there, yeah. Yeah, it's okay to do that and go in underneath if you can.
520.
Fine. Just watch that bit there, Nick.
20 and that's 585 that way. No,
No.
it's not as wide
But
anyway, is it?
is it?
No. They'll all be the same 20,
Yep.
yeah. Is there.
Another measurement there, yeah.
Oh, this one, yeah.
No.
I've done that one. I've done that
Not
one.
that way.
Yeah, I've done that one.
Where? Where is that
No,
telling
I
me?
haven't done that one. Yeah, right. 520.
520. What was your ruler?
Behind you.
Finishing touches are going in. Coat rail into the wet locker. Lee did a nice shelf in there that can be pulled out.
I'll be right throwing in things all.
Yeah, it'd be good. Got our lovely bright handles going on now.
It's from the same place that I got those vents from.
Oh, yeah.
So what was it called, Lee?
The door handle company.
Oh, that's where you got those side hatch
yeah,
things from as
yeah,
well.
and the Spanier bolts.
Just want to show you these. Really pleased with them. They look lovely.
Let's
We'll do the front ones now. Lee's just putting the trims on now. Just gluing them on.
That's the cross one, right?
Yeah.
You're going to start with
We need the
the
screws as well,
cross
don't
one, eh? Ah, right, screws. Do you want to sort of screws out? Because you know
Yeah,
where
I
they
know
are.
where they are.
Wriggle it about, you should find a hole. You've got the screws.
Nice. Looks really nice. So you're using lost head screws, Lee?
Yeah.
To show you how nice these trims look in here, how it finishes it all off. I think that looks lovely. Very nice indeed. And the handles as well. Very nice. And guess what? It's raining. Lovely. So we're just having a really good tidy. Sort of preparing to shut the boat down now for the Christmas holes, aren't we?
Here we are. Yeah.
So
Yeah. So from us all. That's me, Ali, and Dave. I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And also I'd like to thank you for supporting our channel and watching and sending the comments in, subscribing. It's been a real joy to vlog this and for you to be on our journey with us. As you can tell from where this boat was from April now to now, just amazing, and it's a big special thank you to Dave from us to what he's done and helped us. It's been amazing, so we're really chuffed with everything. Please press the notification button, because that will notify you when we restart, which will be in the new year, probably beginning of February, because we're going to take a short break now. So yeah,
I think there's quite a few viewers that haven't actually subscribed yet. So
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
wouldn't
so-
mind subscribing,
yeah,
that would be really handy.
that
That'd be
also.
really good.
but yeah, so this is it for this year. So again, a big thank you from us, and we will see you in the year 2024. So yeah, take care everyone, and goodbye.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.